Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, the issue of Biafra is not news anymore. A lot of celebrities in Nigeria have been quiet for a while. Afterwards, it was not too long. The likes of Talago started giving voice to his thoughts, and right now he's becoming very bold in his assertion. Well, another actress seemed not to keep her cool, how she has decided to point out a scenario that took place, and this is actually accusing all the Igbos over this matter, especially those who have made up their mind not to identify with the indigenous people of Biafra. Before we go to the news proper, to watch the video she shared on her verified page, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, actress Rita Edochie has lashed out at Igbos she accused of denying being Biafrans because of what they stand to benefit today. While the veteran actress, who also shared a video of a Fulani woman, which you're going to see in a moment anyway, the actress shared a video of a Fulani woman denying being Fulani while begging for Christmas present from an Igbo man, accused these Igbos of forgetting about what tomorrow might turn out to be. While Rita Edochie further claimed that their selfishness is affecting everyone. I quote what she wrote. "Have you seen what hunger can cause?" She has denied being a Fulani woman because of hunger, the same way some of our own Igbo brothers and sisters are denying Biafra just because of what they stand to benefit today, without thinking of what happens tomorrow. But the good thing is, their selfishness is affecting us all of us. This has generated a lot of reactions. We're going to take quick succession of what Nigerians are saying across board. Then I'll allow you to watch the video. This has generated quite a lot of reactions. This one here is saying, you have started. You want to go the way of Talago. Another person here is saying, don't mind them. The likes of Loretta Fulani Onoche. Which one is Loretta Fulani Onoche? This one here is saying, don't mind them. The likes of Loretta Fulani Onoche, Joe Fulani Ikwe, Hope Uzo Danger, and many more. Which one is Fulani Ikwe? Which one is Uzo Danger? I guess what they mean is Loretta Onoche, Joe Ibokwe, and Hope Uzo Danger. These are the names that come to my mind. I guess it's here to put Fulanis to their names. Very funny. This one here say, being an Igbo automatically makes you a Biafran. Somebody replied that comment by saying, no. Being an Igbo does not automatically make one a Biafran. You choose if you want to be a Biafra or you choose to be in Nigeria. I am Igbo, I choose to be Biafran. Whoa. This one here replied this person by saying, you may choose to be Biafra. I am Igbo from Southeast, Anambra to be precise. I hate issues of Biafra. I belong to one Nigeria. The place is really divided. This one here say, being an Igbo make you a Biafran, period. My God. This one here say, my brother, don't mind him. You're 100% correct. Being an Igbo makes you a Biafran. End of story. Oh my God. This one here is saying, if you people with surname, you will know. Mama Rita Edochie is with surname like us, the Biafrans. May God bless you and your family abundantly without sorrow. Amen. This one here is saying, actually, that woman may not really be a Fulani. I know a lot of Shao Arabs that you may think are Fulanis, but are not. Fulanis actually don't accept them as well. This one here is saying, Biafra is our identity. Only God can deny us this fact. Those people who claim they are not Biafrans are Biafra in the night. Biafra in the morning, afternoon. Okay, this one is saying that there are people who are denying that they are not Biafrans. They are actually Biafrans in the night. But there are those who claim to be Biafrans morning, afternoon, and night. Okay? This one here scolded her and said, look, madam, respect your age and calling. And leave this thing for the youth who can bear the pressure. Okay, this one is admonishing her to leave this issue of Biafra out of her career path. This one here said, don't mind them, Ndiala. This one here said, Ezioku ka ina kolo. This one here is saying, you will live long and in good health. This one here says, see this woman being paid to blackmail peaceful Fulani people? Why associating peaceful Fulani people with those who bring down people? Okay, but generally Nigerians are reacting. I'm going to let you watch the video and see for yourself the moment where the young lady actually denied being from there, having also stayed in Southeast for a while. See the fluency through which she spoke Igbo, you will know that she has stayed in Southeast for a long while. Watch the video together with me and let's.
So, brother, me like Christmas, right?
Me like Christmas. Actually, you be Fulani, I can't fear. Fulani they kill people.
Man, and the Fulani neighbors, they buy the pop.
Fulani they kill them for Niger.
Well. Fulani for Niger. I'm and every year
all right, welcome back. You've watched the video. Now, from what I saw in the video which she shared, well, she may be Fulani, she may not be, but one thing she has agreed is that she has said to look at a spade. She's being very objective. Okay, now Edochie, Rita Edochie is looking at on the ground that she denied her people. No, she didn't deny her people. She realized some things are being done that are not right. They're not right. And the fact that she knows she's got conscience, she knows they're not right. She's standing for the truth. Okay, that's what is making Nigeria what it is today. We are being divided, driven by ethnicity. Call a spade. Be objective. It will save the whole country. If something is wrong, call it that it is wrong. If it is bad, say it is bad. Don't begin to say because it's my tribal person or because it's from my place. If I say it now, they will see me as somebody who is not standing for the truth. Then you are not being truthful, you're not being factual, you're not being objective. The young lady then knew what must have been going on in the Southeast and opened up. And I feel that she has stayed in the Southeast for a long while, so she can confidently say, what is right and what is wrong. And she has stood her ground. It's not for one to say, I don't think it's hunger. She only asked, okay, is you tired? Can you at least share, hands of fellowship, or, share love, whatever you have with me? And they now started bringing out the issue of ethnicity into the matter. And she said, look, I don't belong to those who do things wrongly. And she stood her ground. So if you ask me personally, I think she was just being objective. If you look at her physique, you know she's not even an Igbo person. By birth, she may not be an Igbo person, but by naturalization, being that she has stayed in Southeast for a long while, look at how fluent she's speaking Igbo. You will know that, okay, she understands the dynamics and the culture of the Igbos, but that doesn't mean that she does not know the truth when she sees one. And if all of us can have that same mindset, it will help us a great deal in Nigeria. Of course, already in the platform, people are already divided. Igbos, Biafrans, because she said, Edochie, Rita, Mrs. Rita Edochie said something. Said, look, have you seen how she denied? That's how you people are also denying being Biafrans. In as much as you're Igbo, you're Biafran. A lot of people on the platform even countered her, saying, look, that you're Igbo does not make you a Biafran. You may be Igbo, but they don't believe in the Biafran ideology. Another person said, if in as much as you're Igbo, 100% you are Biafran. Let's meet in the comment section, please. No hate word. This is really getting interesting. Even in their platform on her page, people are already divided, saying that I am not Biafran, I'm Igbo. I'm Igbo, I'm not Biafran, I'm Biafran, I'm Igbo. What's your take? Are you Biafran? Are you also Igbo? Or are you Igbo and you're not Biafran? Let's interact, please. Do have a nice